Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be sharing my monthly favorites. I know I'm not regular in uploading video. Actually, I was not doing well, but I'll try my level best to do so. My first monthly favorites is from makeup category. This is Makeup Revolution Blush Icon Palette. I have swatch shots on my video. You can check out my makeup playlist. Makeup Revolution makes very good product. In a very affordable price, and this blush icon palette is their latest launch, and has become my favorite palette. It has cream blush, powder blush, and a very beautiful highlighter. The cream blush is not so pigmented, but if you top it up with the powder blush, it becomes perfect. I think this blush palette is designed like this only. The highlighter is very smooth. There is no chunky particle at all, and it doesn't exaggerate my large pores and gives very impeccable finish. Very travel friendly. You don't have to carry separate products, just one palette and your life is sorted. My next monthly favorite, or I can say all time favorite, is Dot and Key cleansing balm, makeup cleansing balm. और इसका गाना तो मैं हर मंथली फेवरेट्स में ही गाती हूँ, बिकॉज दिस इज़ सच अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट. सस्ता, सुंदर और टिकाऊ क्लेंजिंग बाम है ये. मैं सबके लिंक्स डाल दूँगी. इफ़ यू वांट टू सी डिटेल्ड रिव्यू एंड हाउ टू यूज़ दिस, please see the link below. My next monthly favorite is this Color Bar lip liner in the shade chocolate brown. My makeup is not complete without this lip liner. This is such a versatile shade I have never seen. I have created at least 70 plus lip combos by using just this lip liner. You don't need so many lip liners, you just need this one in your life, and your life is sorted. Very beautiful shade, and color payoff is just gorgeous. It doesn't, if you are interested in watching my lip combos which I have created with this, please watch my lip combo playlist for part 1, and watch my makeup playlist. And if you want to know which lipstick I have used, you can comment there. I'll provide the link. The best part of this lip liner is it goes with 99% of my lipsticks, and I already have its backup in my vanity. इफ़ यू आर समवन जिसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि कौन सा लिप लाइनर लूँ, बाय दिस वन एंड यू विल थैंक मी लेटर. इट सूट्स every skin tone, such a perfect shade it is. I have reviewed this Arata cleansing shampoo recently on my channel. Please check my hair care playlist for shampoos reviews and any hair care product review. Such a beautiful shampoo, and it performs really well. Absolutely my favorite. Next monthly favorite is from मेकअप कैटेगरी. और जब से मैंने इसको लिया है, मैं लिपस्टिक कम ही यूज़ कर रही हूँ. ये और मेरा जो कलर बार वाला lip liner है, I'm using these two mostly. So this is Lakme lip liner in the shade Spice Note, and I use it as a lipstick, like it is a peachish nudish shade. और इसका मैंने swatch already डाला हुआ अपने channel पे. You can check that you can check out my makeup playlist. The color payoff of this lip liner is very good. It is so pigmented and stays on my lips until I remove it. Actually more like मेरे lips पे सारे ही लिपस्टिक और लिप ग्लॉस सारे दिन ही टिकते हैं, और जो बिल्कुल बेकार होता है ना, वही मेरे लिप्स पे नहीं टिकता. अदरवाइज सारे लिप ग्लॉस लिपस्टिक मेरे लिप्स पे सुबह से शाम तक अंटिल आई रिमूव इट टिकते हैं. इन हेयर केयर favorites, I have two of this is these are from Plex. One is Plex Hibiscus Bond Repair Serum, and another is Bond Repair Conditioner. I love both of these. Like जब से मैंने लिया है आई मोस्टली यूज़ दिस टू। और ये जो इसका कंडीशनर है, इट इज़ मोर लाइक अ हेयर मास्क। मैंने इन दोनों के रिव्यू सेपरेटली अपने चैनल पे किया है, यू कैन चेक दैट आउट, आई लिंक इट डाउन बिलो। एंड दिस टू आर रियली गुड। आजकल मेरा फोकस ज़्यादा बॉन्ड रिपेयर प्रोडक्ट्स पे होता है, एंड दिस इज़ बिकॉज माई hair is color treated. My next monthly favorite is from makeup category. This is Lamel eyeshadow palette. I'm currently loving this. This is my go-to when I have to do no makeup look, when I have to keep my eyes simple. And it has both matte and shimmery shades, and the color payoff is really nice. Plus there is no like lots of kickback, very less kickback, and blends so easily. The formula is really smooth, and I am really happy to have it in my collection. It has all the like light shades and dark shades, तो मैंने इसे पार्टी में भी यूज़ किया है और डेली वेयर में भी यूज़ किया है. इट इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर बोथ द ओकेजन्स. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू कैरी सो मेनी पैलेट्स, और इफ़ यू आर अ नो मेकअप गर्ली काइंड ऑफ, तो ये पैलेट, दिस पैलेट इज़ रियली गुड. दिस डर्माको 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen aqua gel is my like, मैं कुछ भी यूज़ करूँ, मैं कोई भी ट्राई करूँ, मैं वापस इसी के ऊपर लौट करके आती हूँ. आई हैव टॉक्ड सो मैनी टाइम्स अबाउट दिस सनस्क्रीन, एंड आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस सिंस 2023, एंड it is my go-to. My acne prone skin love this. I am crazy for this because of its texture and performance. You need this if you are in search of anti-tan sunscreen, or your skin is like mine, mine. I have uploaded full review on this. Kindly check this out. I will link it in the description below. This monthly favorite is Rufa Beauty brow brush. I can't live without this brow brush. Perfect for brow shaping, perfect for winged eyeliner. It deposits the pigment so beautifully. ना ज़्यादा कम लगता है, ना ज़्यादा लगता है. Plus this comes with spoolie, easy to clean and easy to. My summer is incomplete without these two. It's been 2000. I think 2023. I have been using this two. समर जैसे ही आता है वैसे ही आई स्टार्ट यूजिंग दिस प्लम ट्रिपिंग मिमोसा बॉडी वॉश एंड डिओ. I always pre-order these two. I have uploaded short review on these two, so please check them out. The fragrance gives the perfect summer vibe. Another monthly favorite is Nivea Nourishing Body Lotion and Deo. The Deo has 0% alcohol, and basically I use this duo at night time body care. I use this body lotion basically at night after shower, and then apply Deo, not on my skin but on my clothes. The fragrance of both is so soothing and calming. It gives me perfect winter vibes. I love both of this very calming, soothing fragrance which gives me a sense of relaxation. You all know my love for this Lakme Blur Primer. If you are my OG subscriber, I have full review on this. Please go and watch. This performs just like a luxe primer. Absolutely gorgeous product, and my vanity is, my makeup is not complete without this.